Teaching your dog to stay can be a challenging process. It requires patience, consistency, and a lot of practice. Start by teaching your dog the basic command to stay, using treats as a reward for good behavior. Gradually increase the amount of time your dog is expected to stay in one place before receiving the treat. It's important to remain calm and positive throughout the training process, as dogs can pick up on your emotions. Remember to always praise your dog when they successfully stay in place, and never punish them for mistakes. With time and dedication, your dog will learn to stay on command, building their patience and obedience.